The action camera market is a battleground where innovation reigns supreme. GoPro, once the undisputed champion, now faces a formidable challenge from competitors like DJI and Insta360. As the anticipation for the GoPro Hero 13 Black mounts, the question on everyone's lips is, can GoPro reclaim its throne? Let's delve into the rumors, speculations, and hopes surrounding this highly anticipated device. A quantum leap in image quality. If rumors are to be believed, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is poised to redefine video capture. An 8K resolution at a smooth 30 frames per second is being whispered about, promising jaw-dropping detail and cinematic quality. But GoPro isn't stopping there. A 4K mode capable of capturing at a staggering 120 frames per second is also on the cards, ensuring buttery smooth slow-motion footage that will leave viewers breathless. Photography enthusiasts won't be left out. The Hero 13 Black is expected to boast a sensor capable of capturing images with a resolution of up to 27 megapixels, promising vibrant, lifelike photos that rival dedicated cameras. Intelligence at your fingertips. The Hero 13 Black is rumored to be a showcase of artificial intelligence. Imagine a camera that can intelligently optimize settings based on the scene, ensuring you always capture the perfect shot. This could mean better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and even automatic scene recognition. Voice control is another feature rumored to be making a significant leap forward. With more accurate and responsive voice commands, users could potentially operate the camera hands-free with ease, freeing them to focus on the action. Stabilization, a GoPro cornerstone. GoPro has always been synonymous with rock-solid image stabilization. The Hero 13 Black is expected to build upon this legacy with the introduction of HyperSmooth 7.0. This new iteration promises to deliver even smoother footage, even when capturing fast-paced, high-impact action. Customization and versatility. One of the criticisms leveled at GoPro in recent years has been a lack of customization options. To address this, rumors suggest that GoPro might be exploring a modular approach, allowing users to select and purchase specific features to tailor the camera to their needs. Additionally, there's speculation about a specialized version of the Hero 13 Black designed specifically for motorcycle enthusiasts. This model could feature a unique lens configuration optimized for helmet mounting, making it a must-have for adrenaline junkies on two wheels. The power within, the next-gen processor. At the heart of a high-performance camera lies its processor. GoPro's GP1 and GP2 chips have been impressive, but the upcoming GP3 is rumored to be a game-changer. With significantly increased processing power, the GP3 could enable new features, improve performance, and lay the groundwork for future innovations. Addressing user demands, the GoPro community is vocal about its desires, and it seems GoPro is listening. Enhanced low-light performance is a top priority, with users clamoring for better nighttime shooting capabilities. The retention of the 8:7 aspect ratio and the inclusion of 8K resolution will also be welcomed by many, offering greater flexibility in post-production. A dashcam feature, when paired with an external power source, is another popular request. This would expand the camera's utility, appealing to a wider audience beyond action sports enthusiasts. And let's not forget about the mounting system. A unified design that combines the best elements of fingers, quarter turns, and magnetic mounts would be a dream come true for many GoPro users. Pricing and availability. Price is always a crucial factor. Given that the Hero 12 Black was more affordable than its predecessor, there's hope that GoPro will continue this trend with the Hero 13 Black. A September 2024 launch is being speculated, aligning with GoPro's usual release schedule. The future is bright. As we eagerly await the official unveiling of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the excitement and speculation continue to build. With the potential for groundbreaking features like 8K video, advanced stabilization, and AI integration, the Hero 13 Black could be a game changer for action cameras. Only time will tell if GoPro can successfully reclaim its position at the top of the action camera market. But one thing is certain, the competition is heating up and the Hero 13 Black will need to be exceptional to stand out from the crowd. What are your hopes and expectations for the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.